When talking about performance and architecture, we need to be clear on the metrics we are using to measure the performance of our systems. Especially in distributed systems, most often we need to find trade-offs, and we should be quite clear what metrics we are affecting when tweaking our system in different ways. And today, in our conversation related to data distribution across partitions, we have three important metrics to mention. First one is throughput, the number of messages which goes through the system in a given amount of time. The higher, the better. Second one is latency, overall time it takes to process each individual message. The lower, the better. And those two, throughput and latency, are actually closely interconnected. And optimizing one can affect the other one in a positive or most probably in the negative way. And the last metric, important for today's conversation, is consumer lag. This is the delta between the last produced message and the last consumer's committed message. So the difference between the offset of the last produced message and the last consumer's committed message. Or in other words, how much is our consumer behind the producer. And if you are confused by these metrics, we can use a bus analogy where passengers are records in the system. So throughput is how many people fit into a bus. Latency is total time for a passenger to complete the journey, including the waiting time for the bus to depart. And the lag is how far is the slowest passenger behind the front of the group. So keeping these metrics in mind, in the next video we will define the number of partitions that you will need for your topic to be optimal. Leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, as always, please like it and subscribe to the channel.